Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing and the product coming from Frizzlife brand, and this one is RO to clean your water. This one is a tankless. I'm purchasing this product in frizzlife.de. This link I already added in video description. The product price is a 799 euro. Some information they are providing, what is new, what is the changes of this power or RO filtration stages. This one is a PD1200. Here all types of information they are providing. Innovation RO system, water as a should be clean. Installation is very easy. Look at this here in this pictures. Just only one system, connect the power and then use the water. All information is available, as well as I will show you which types of product we are receiving. I already added this product link in video description. Now we can see unboxing. Now we can do the unboxing. Item number PD1200. Which types of product we are receiving, you can see here. Inside the box we receive one magic booklet, one charging adapter. You can provide continuously power. Here some of the pipe fitting accessories, and this is our tab. This is the digital tab we receive. One of the important point you can fix here, and then your digital tab is open. You need to provide the power as well here using this adapter, and this is the tab here showing electric display, fancy display. Apart from that, we receive thumb width. This is the pipe. Using this pipe you should provide the drainage water, exit water, input, output. Dirty water can very easily automatically going. This one sticker, one pipe tape and some pipe coupling, and inside the box we receive our product. Product is a little heavy. Box is empty. Here is the display. The product coming from Frizzlife, as I already mentioned. This one, and if you want change the RO, so 1 2 3, first time you purchase this product, so continuously 2 years you can use this one. After that, the follow the instruction as they mentioning in the website. As you see here, here is the power cable as they providing here in this adapter. So very easily connect the black to black here proper, and then fix like this, and then this connect here in this tab one. Because of here the LED display is showing. So here they mentioning 4 types of pipe, but we just provide here the supply original water. Don't use this one, they put it here, don't use. And this is the waste water, and this is the filter. So they providing almost I think 5 to 10 meter pipe as well. So you should use this pipe. One is a bigger pipe and one is a small pipe. How to fix, everything is available here. And if you are facing the problem, you can use the manual booklet as well. Now I will show you how to fix this one and how we receive the water. Let's start. Now we can cut the pipe of 2 section. It's very sensitive, and then you just simply put it here in the water, and we receive this plug, and in this kit we can fix this pipe properly so water can't leak, and just fix properly here as well. Depend upon how much pressure water coming, so accordingly I disconnect cold water pipe and then put it here, one I can say like a O-ring, and accordingly here the T generated, and here the original pipe we can fix here. So original water can come here directly from here, and we already two. This is the, using this one you can remove 3 section, supplier, water waste, and the other one. And here I just simply, this is the drain water perspective, I just simply put it one hole in my drain water pipe and then fix properly. One drain outlet here we need to add here properly. So before fix this one, you can make proper measurement and accordingly work. So I drill using this one sticker we already received, and this is the tab, our tab. So accordingly in my basin I just simply hold one and install drinking tap. So we are receiving already like this. You can fix in the tab section as well and just simply fix like this. And this is the blue pipe we are receiving, and this both cap available on this one. And here the power, we just simply add the power as well. This is the adapter power we can add here as well. Two types of power, one is a tab and second one is a original power comes to the our machine, and just simply turn it on this one. And here pipe, this is the proper installation of my, and I just simply plug in and water is coming. It's easy. Now proper installation I will show you.
And now this is Frizzlife PD1200 after the installation. Here, as you can see, the piping system, the water in, out, and the drain. And here you can see how easy and neat is the installation. We have one connection to the drain pipe, and we have this connection to the water supply, and all the accessories that needed here was included in the package. The installation was very simple and clear. And here you go. Now we have installed this as well. This is the faucet. I have created this small shelf for it where we can it, and now let's test. And here, as you can see, it's working perfectly, and this is the reading for the TDS, which completely pure water.
If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.